Why are our children here in New York State being treated differently?
Parents want children to be treated the same as adults as New York State clarifies a change to its mask policy at school. Good evening. A notice from the state about masks has already been amended just 3 days after it was issued. Today, Governor Andrew Cuomo said children still must wear a face mask at school when indoors. They will be optional outside. Now, that's different than what was in the letter the state health department wrote the CDC on Friday. That letter stated they planned to remove the mask requirement at school entirely. Still, the governor says this latest directive is the policy they planned all along.
We said on Friday we were asking the CDC for guidance, and we would tell the schools on Monday what the guidance was.
You know, it's starting to get real hot out and they're sitting in these stifling classrooms, not able to breathe. My daughter particularly has cough variant asthma and she has a hard time breathing as it is, and she's stuck in the classroom for 8 hours with her mask on all day.
The governor says this gives schools and kids camps the same policy. Now, despite the new rule from the state, one school district still plans to make masks optional indoors and outside. Jeff Ruzak explains the district's defiance.
Masks optional, both outside and inside, effective Monday. That's the new policy for students and staff at any of the Pioneer Central School District schools in Yorkshire.
We've been held to a pretty high standard here in public schools, and we've done it well. And we've got ourselves to a point where we're in a safe environment here to be able to do this.
Superintendent Ben Halsey made his decision based on the information that was provided by the state on Friday.
Based on that was shared on Friday, I felt it was the appropriate thing to do.
Superintendent Halsey says there's a lot of community support around optional mask wearing. We went to speak with some parents about what they thought, and they said they very much agree with the superintendent's decision.
I was really excited when we got the call yesterday. I was like, Mom, we don't have to wear masks anymore. It's optional.
The masks are getting old. We just, needed to breathe, see each other's faces, interact. So we were totally fine with it. The kids were totally fine with it.
Monday, the governor said students inside must continue wearing masks, but do not need to wear them outside. Despite the confusion and messaging from the state over the past weekend, Halsey says his position stands, and the mask policy will remain optional.
There are those that actually have the authority to have Pioneer go in a different direction. He would like to speak with me. I would love to have that personal conversation.
In Yorkshire, Jeff Rusak, 7 Eyewitness News.